Hey guys, it's MJ, your host for Mondays on Search Queries, and the topic for this week is gaydar. And here with me this week is Biscuit.
Hi.
So, Biscuit, what is your perception of gaydar?
It's not a myth. I actually think that gaydar exists. You can tell with the gay guy how they walk, how they talk, fashion. Yeah.
Fashion? Well, I think it's a lie. I think it's just a perception of people thinking they know people are gay. Example. Femmies. I can't tell at all if they're gay or not. Usually, my perception is they're either bi-curious, or they're just super straight, or they're gay and they don't know it yet. But I can't pinpoint it because they're so meticulous and it drives me crazy. But gay guys, I could tell a lot quicker. And it is, it's the way they dress, the way they carry themselves, they're not, picking their wiener every 2 seconds, I mean, some do, but whatever, that's just my opinion. Anything else?
No. Actually, girls are kind of harder to pinpoint.
Yeah. Anyway, so happy Halloween, everyone, and I hope you guys have a good week. Yeah.
Okay.
Just kidding, we're not done yet. So, me and Biscuit believe that every little kid between a certain age should get the shit scared out of them royally, big time.
Yes.
Like, my favorite part of the haunted house is all those preteen, teenage boys that come in with their little girlfriends, and they're all like, I'm not scared of nothing. I'm gonna puff up my chest, scare people away with my pec muscles or whatever, right? And so you scare the shit out of them, and they scream louder and squealier than the girls do. Love it. Is by far my favorite thing in haunted houses. And we get to do one tonight.
Yep. Can't wait.
Oh yeah. Get the shit scared out of you. Arrgh.